Hey guys, Ricardo here and welcome to another blog tech tips. In today's tutorial guys, I'll show you to use your Apple Watch as a listening device. Similarly to how you can actually use your AirPods along with your iPhone, where you leave the iPhone in a room and of course use your AirPods and you'll be hearing everything around or what's is being said around the iPhone. Similarly, you can actually do the same on your Apple Watch. All right, so to do this is how you do it. So go ahead, if you are not unlocked, you're gonna go ahead and you're gonna go to your control center. Once you're in the control center, these are the default widgets that are here. To add a new widget, go ahead and hit edit. Then you're gonna see these. You're gonna hit the plus, it's right there at the top. And you're gonna scroll down. You're gonna go to accessibility and you're gonna search for this one that says earring, and of course you're gonna tap to add the earring widget. You can hit done. Now of course you can see now that there's now an option for earring. You can go ahead and tap. Here you go. Now you'll see here. Sorry about this. All right, so from here you'll scroll down and you'll activate live listen. Notice it says connect a compatible audio device to your iPhone to use the live listen. All right, so here we go. We're gonna unlock my iPhone. I have a compatible device, which is my sorry about that. So we're gonna go back. We're gonna turn on the live listen. All right, notice it's not activating. That's because a compatible device is not activated on here. So we'll need to add something such as my AirPods. Let me get those out. All right, so here are my AirPods. So what we're gonna do here is we're gonna open up my AirPods. I'm gonna remove them from their case. All right, so I'm gonna put the AirPods here. And of course, we can go back to the settings. We're gonna go to live listen and we're gonna turn on live listen. Now notice over here, it says live listen was started by Ricardo. All right. So if you tap, I could stop it from the phone, but of course I can remotely activate the live listen, and all I'm doing is to use the Apple Watch to activate it. So I can leave the phone in the room and then I can remotely go ahead and activate the live listen, and here it's giving you the data. It says headphone level. I can adjust it here without touching the phone, and you can see live listen. Here's option to go back 10 seconds. I can have live listen captions, and I could easily turn it off. So let me show you what I mean here. So as live listen is on, you can turn it off. There you go. You notice the phone turned off, and when I want to, I can remotely turn it on. All right, and once it's on, it does require your phone, your AirPods, or another compatible headset. And of course, you don't have to activate it on the phone itself. You can activate it from, as I was showing you, from the watch. When you're finished, even without being in the same room, you can simply turn it off. So turn off live listen. All right. Now this is great because you can actually remotely trigger the feature versus turning it on the phone. You can turn it off on and off remotely quite easily. All right. So hope that was useful, guys, in terms of the live listen feature. Sorry, and how you can actually activate it using we can activate it using your Apple Watch. All right, so a great feature, and definitely one that you want to use. See you in the next one, guys. Bye.